People have asked, what are my thoughts on the future of artificial disc replacement? I kind of liken it to total hip replacement and total knee replacement. Back in the 1950s, we used to fuse your hip and fuse your knee if it was arthritic and painful and you walked with a straight leg. Nobody would consider having their hip or knee fused any longer. You'd think the doctor was insane. Yet, doctors still fuse the spine all the time. And often, they don't look for those patients who are possibly candidates for disc replacement. And as we're seeing, on the East Coast, they're a bit behind us on the West Coast, it seems, and bringing on disc replacements. So now in New York, we have a new fellow here in LA that's from New York, and he said that they were just doing a couple cervical disc replacements in the neck, and they haven't done any lumbar. So it's going to keep advancing. It's going to bridge throughout the country, and doctors will be looking to preserve motion for your health and benefit and reduce pain.